Prepositions of time help us talk about when things happen. Today, we learn the difference between during and while. During is used with nouns, while is used with verbs. This difference is very important for correct English. During always needs a noun after it, like during the movie or during summer, while needs a subject and verb after it, like while watching television or while I eat, during plus noun, while plus subject plus verb. This is the basic rule. I fell asleep during the movie. During needs a noun, movie is a noun. She called me during dinner. Dinner is a noun. During tells us when something happens inside a period of time. Always use nouns after during. I read a book while eating dinner. While needs a verb, eating is a verb. She slept while I cooked. Cooked is a verb. While shows two actions happening together, always use verbs after while. During talks about when something happens inside a period, like during the festival or during the meeting. While talks about two actions at the same time, like while we were eating or while he was working. During for time periods, while for actions. Remember this simple rule. During plus noun, like during the class or during lunch, while plus subject plus verb, like while I study or while she sleeps. Noun after during, verb after while. Practice this pattern every day. Wrong, I read while the movie. Correct, I read during the movie. Movie is a noun, so use during. Wrong, I slept during I watched television. Correct, I slept while I watched television. Watched is a verb, so use while. Check if noun or verb. Practice number 1, he got sick blank his holiday. Number 2, I read a book blank I was eating dinner. Number 3, the phone rang blank I was taking a bath. Number 4, they talked blank the meeting. Answers during, while during.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.